Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect.
Hello wonderful people, welcome and welcome back again to my channel. I greet all of una according to una time. Yes, we still there on Ada Jesus matter. This one don't really hot. I go drop the video sharply, make una watch waiting this man talk. Meanwhile, if today not the first time you come across my channel, you are highly welcome. Consider to hit on the subscribe button, put on the bell so you continue to get more updates from this channel. To all my returning subscribers, I appreciate all of us until they support this platform they come. Yes, my people, make una also leave una opinion for the comment section. Wetin you think about waiting this man talk. And also like the video. Let's watch, guys. Bye bye.
If you want to magic, you say, hey! Hey! Oh, do magic! Oh, magic man! Do magic! Do magic! Sam, you are a sinner. Blood is soaked in your hand. Never you tell the world that you are a son of God. Never in your life. The whole world supposed to know you are the highest God. What is 1 million? I said, don't make it. Show respect. Then you say you wake the dead. I'm waiting for you. You wake the dead. Go to Ada Jesus and let us see your performance now. You wake the dead, to my dead. You wake the dead. You wreck in your promise. I said yes. If Odumede can wake Ada Jesus, I will go to Nigeria and wake 301 dead bodies. Hey, I mean it. If Odumede should stand up, I'm challenging you, Odumede, I'm challenging you right now. You make my vein to leak blood. You want me to soak you with blood. Dumeje. You kill our daughter. But I refuse. When they bring her to you, you're supposed to say yes. You are being forgiven. You are being forgiven. You are not a child of God. Oh, Dumeje. You are not a son of God. You are a devil. Everything full in your blood. Any agwe, Dumeje. Any are a bloody way. Any are a bloody way. You cannot ever tell the world you are a real pastor. You are not a real pastor. You are from that spirit's lands. Oh, to make a professor for you. I said, go to the hospital. Go and tender your apology. So that this girl will forgive you. You never listen to me. All you could do is to jump up. When you are in the church, jump up. Oh, to me there, jump and fall. 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 You fall 100 times, and you will never rise up anymore. You are a 120. The Igbo should know. The black people, the white people should know. Anybody called Dumeje is fake for 120. Oh, Dumeje is not real. Oh, Dumeje. The cats that pee his body. Cats that always go slow with 4150. Oh, Dumeje. Where is your jumping up? Where is your... Where are all these performers coming from? And you even said it, that you can wake dead body. Dead body. You said it on your live video, that you can wake dead body. This is your power. Let's just see. Oh, do me J. Oh, do. Oh, do. I said your church is to pack money, spiritual money, gift money. That is what you believe. That is the reason you throw money anyhow. Spiritual money, attack money, not for healing. That is the truth. If you cannot wake this guy now and 3 days, today, he died today. If you cannot go to her and wake her from the dead, everybody that go to your church, they are all dead person. They are not human. This guy was your choir. She attended your church before. Because she told the world the truth. You sent boys to her to beat her, to disgrace her, to humiliate her. We saw all the videos that they were able to threaten her. Go and beg Odumeje. If you don't beg Odumeje, if we catch you again, you'll be hell. Odumeje, you call yourself a pastor. You send boys. You send group of people to humiliate innocent girl because she's poor. Because she's poor. Knowing that you were a big layer before, Odumeje. Odumeje, you were a big layer before. You used to go house to mow block. Odumeje, Dudu, where is your... Where is all this one? Why can't you heal? Why can't you heal her right now? As I'm watching you right now, Odumeje, you think you serve God? Did you serve God? Odumeje, Igbo pastor, Nigeria pastors, where are you all? Let me ask this question. When people say Nigerian pastors are fake, they begin to pretend. Here Lalue, here we period. Anybody that talk, they will be pursuing her with police. Pursuing that person with police. That person will not get rest of mind again. Because of the money they extract from our people. Because of the money they extract from our people. Nigeria is the highest churches in the world. People used to serve God. But Nigeria, you receive the highest debts in the world. So how can you believe that the pastors, they are really doing work? They are really serving God. They are not serving God, they are serving 419. I call all the pastors in Nigeria. If we say that Ada Jesus, she's dead and you cannot wake her up, please, Nigeria government, tell the pastor to be paying tax. Everything they have to pay tax. Millions of tax. Because they are extracting money from our family over there. They believe in God. It's just like a pocket where you put money but you cannot collect from it. That is where all the church, that is the organization, it's like a society that they want to extract from the people They want to collect from the people, but they don't give out. You see a woman will come out today, I prophesy. Man will come out, I prophesy. Now, they cannot heal a common girl, a little girl, intelligent girl, a woman that never afraid. He's not afraid of nobody. She talks and she said the truth. Because of the truth, they tore her upside down. Oh, Dumeje and the group. Rita, because of your adultery, because of your bad mind, because of the useless art. Oh, I don't want to insult art. Oh, God. Oh, Dumeje, I'm coming for you. Let me play this music that will ginger my brain. Will ginger my brain, Dumeje. I want the German police to come to my house today. Because if not, I will fly to Nigeria to catch Dumeje and bring it out from the church. And battle with Dumeje. Go and wake this girl up. And that Jesus is there. Go and wake her up. Anywhere you feel that you can wake her. You promised all the whole world and said, you want to wake 7 dead women, 7 dead people in mortuary. And you never did it. This is the time you have to perform that miracle. My eyes is looking at you. You are standing, sitting down right now. You watch my television. Oh, Dumeje, who are you? For one pastor Dumeje, I will challenge you like the way and that Jesus did. Come and challenge me. Let's face one another. Dumeje, I'm not afraid of you. Oh, Dumeje. I'm not afraid of you, Dumeje. Oh, Dumeje. For one pastor Dumeje. Dumeje. You call all the artists to come to your church to pretend they said they are sick. You give them money. We know all your history. We know all your life. All your biography, all your zoology, all your condemnability, all your 420-lity, we know everything. Let me teach my brain. Sir Majesty, where are you? Sir Majesty, give me